Hi there, I'm working on the Qashqai today. I've got the wheels off because they're getting refurbed, getting the alloys all done, and I'll be putting a video on that to show you how it got on. But over here you can see the corrosion on this arm, and it's solid, it's absolutely solid. But what I want to do is just remove some of this surface rust, paint it up with a rust hardener so it can keep most of the remaining rust nice and solid and part of the structure. And I'm going to be working across here underneath, and then afterwards, after I've done all that, I'll be using a bit of Dynatrol just to finish it off and running through these little holes across there. So the condition overall is actually not too bad on this vehicle, but as I said, all the alloys are off, they're all getting redone, and also these brake calipers, I'm going to have them painted red as well. I tried to get silver, but silver seems to be quite a hard one to get hold of, so that's what I'm going to be doing just now. Hi, so what I've done now is I've painted all the areas after I've scraped it. I've painted all the areas with Hammerite rust remover gel, left it for I think it's 15-25 minutes. It's on the tray, and now I'm going to clear it off with the high pressure jet to remove it all. After that, I'm going to let it dry for a little bit because I need to go and pick some stuff up from the shop, and I'm going to then put a rust hardener on here, which will seal off the remaining rust and allow me to work on the hardened rust, spray painted, and then put a coating of either Hammerite or something similar over this this bar over here. Now, to note that I do use a mixture of different undercoats, which I know a lot of people don't, but I use them because they're sometimes easier for me to use, and for me it's all about getting something functional. So over here with the wheels off, I might just get the a spray can of Hammerite and spray this area, but underneath, through all the little holes, etc., you can see there, I'll probably use Dynatrol ML into the chassis, again with a different system. But to be honest, this car is notorious, the Qashqai is notorious for rusting frames, and I started this project it must be about 8 years ago. You can go back and see all my videos, and you'll see the condition hasn't changed much, and that's because its system seems to be working. What I'm going to do now is use this rust converter. It's 1 litre in here, primer. You can buy this from Carbusonic, and I've cleaned up, I sanded this down, just basically used my wire brushes, cleaned it all up. Then I put a high pressure washer on it just to clear up all the debris. I'm now going to using a paintbrush, I'm just going to paint this on, and I'm just going back and forth movements just so that it spreads itself and goes into any pinholes. Now this bit, my objective here is just to try and stop the whole of the back chassis from rusting in various different places. So it's not to try and preserve the car for its entire life, it's to preserve the car for as long as I'm going to have it, because I don't want to be doing constant welding on this car, and it's not needed to be welded. It's coming up for 14 years old now, and if you go through my previous videos, you'll see that I've stayed on top of all the chassis problems that these cars usually have, and I use different products for different areas. I don't automatically use the same product. I use the product depending on the way it dispenses itself. So here I'm using this rust converter, okay, by Carbusonic, and there'll be a link in the description, and just painted it on. It's really simple. It's not actually a lot I'm using. It's actually a tiny amount. If you see how little there is there, I just put it in the cap, and I'm just going to work it in. As I said, I'm not too fussed if I miss things out, because it's not the end of the world. Just working my way through, and this will convert any light dusted rust into a hard, workable, paintable solution. But also, if there's flakes of rust which are well adhered, which don't come off with the wire brushes, then they can also be painted over the end and incorporated into the metalwork. So after this, I'm going to leave this to dry for a few hours, and then spray paint it just with a black paint. And then after that I'm going to use the probably some wax oil in a spray can or something in a spray can just to paint this area here, just for ease. The spray can's really easy to use. Although I do have the compressor, I'm just going to use what's available here because I want to get this wheel back on, so I just want to get this section done. As I said before, I've used a combination of wax oil and Dynatrol on this vehicle, and the end result is actually very little rust underneath the chassis. And I made 2 videos of this over the years, I think over the last 7 years, and they do actually show the lack of progression of the rust, which is really, really good. I'm going to finish this off. I'm also going to do these dust shields as well, just because they're there and they're easy to be done, especially the front one. This one requires this, they basically to remove the disc, which means loosening up the handbrake, etc. A bit of a pain, but I will get these calipers painted too. And that's it, all nice and dry now, ready to be painted over, or you can leave it like that, I believe. But I'm going to paint it over with black and just give it a coating of wax oil afterwards, because it's not really an aesthetic element, it's just a structural element. I just want that looking really, really slick, and I've taken some of the rust off there. Should have painted that at the same time, but did I? Nope. So let's do that, and I'll just add a bit of that on these components as well. I'm going to leave it off the bolts because I don't want that to form a really different, make the bolt difficult to cut out. I'm not sure if it would, but I don't want to push it too far. There we go. I'm just going to spray that over. So you just see it coming in quite nicely. We're avoiding the spraying the discs. You don't want to be doing that. And that's enough for me to do, just to keep that area nice and solid. Remember, there's going to be getting a coating of wax oil as well, so there's no big deal if I don't paint everything. As I said, it's all I want to do is just keep this vehicle solid for as long as I can. Okay, so this is what I'm using, the wax oil underbody sealer, and I'm just going to do it with one hand. I'm going to show you it's quite a controlled spray. You can see it just goes on, well, where is it? Sorry, there we go. Goes on quite easily. It's a little bit difficult to do this with one hand, so I'm going to finish it off and let you see the result.